personalities. I'd be rubbish though. I can't decide, Carol, between dog and cat. I love them both. Oh, you're a cat lady, a cat woman.
Definitely cat. Every time, Mike.
Who's your favourite dog though? Hacker or Dougal from many years ago?
Oh, Hacker, unquestionably. He's a star.
Yeah. Over Dodge?
Well, I like Dodge too. Dodge is good. I've got a wee question for you. Now, Wimbledon tends to be the only Grand Slam that has a day off, generally, in the middle of it. Do you know why?
Well, it's a Sunday. Does it date back to religious times?
No, it's to
rest day.
Well, it could be. That's a very good guess. It's to do with the grass. It gives the groundsman a chance to actually go and water the grass.
So forget the players, they don't need a rest. It's the grass that needs a rest, is that right?
Well, they play in last Sunday, don't they? Also, another question. In the winter, the grass grows to what height? We know that right now it's been trimmed every day so that it's about 8 millimetres. Okay. Well, it's not about, it actually is.
Are we talking the depth of winter, December, January?
Any time in winter,
OK, I'd say in December, 0.5 millimetre.
13 millimetres.
No way!
Yeah.
It'll need a cut again then, won't it?
Well, it's like your hair, I suppose. Your hair grows nice and thick, you get it cut, it grows thicker.
Oh, my bush grows the whole year round, I can tell you that. It needs a cut every couple of weeks.
You're lucky. Anyway, the weather.
Some would say.
The weather.
I'll let you get on.
Thanks, Matt. The weather today at Wimbledon. Well, we've got lovely sunshine at the moment and it does feel pleasantly warm as well. But we are looking at some rain. Rain coming our way at Wimbledon during the course of the afternoon. Probably around about 3 to 5, sometime in that space. And when it does start to rain, it will be on and off for probably about 3 hours. For the rest of the UK, well, we're starting off on a dry note generally, but there is rain coming our way. So, if we start off by looking at what's happening in the southeast of England this morning, well, we've got blue skies here at Wimbledon. It does feel pleasantly warm, and it's not just in the southeast, it's exactly the same across East Anglia, heading over towards Hampshire and moving northwards into the Midlands. Heading into northern England, a very similar story. A lovely start to the day, not too cold, temperatures picking up quite nicely now, and across southern Scotland it's the same thing. However, across northern Scotland we are looking at some showers. Now, we've got some showers across Northern Ireland at the moment, and we'll carry on with showers in Northern Ireland on and off through the course of the day. And as we sweep down towards Wales, showers starting to move in across Cardigan Bay. For the rest of Wales, it's largely dry. For the southwest of England, again, you could catch the odd shower this morning, but at this stage, it still is dry. Now, moving towards Dorset, we're back into the sunshine, but that won't last because as we go through the day, the rain just in the Irish Sea is going to continue to move across Wales, where it will be heavy, in through southwest England, where it's going to be accompanied by very gusty winds touching gale force with exposure, and then the whole band is going to move across all of Wales and most of England, except for the southeast by the time we get to about 3. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, we hang on to sunshine and showers or bright spells, but some of the showers could be heavy. Temperatures between 13 and 20. Now, through this evening and overnight, we will see that rain reach all eastern areas before it carries on into the North Sea, clearing, leaving behind it some clear spells, but also some showers in the west. It's not going to be a cold night, most of us staying in double figures, but the wind is picking up. Tomorrow is going to be a windy day, and we start off for most on a dry note, but we will have rain first thing in Northern Ireland, and through the course of the day that rain is going to whip across England, Wales and possibly into southern Scotland. Northern Scotland seeing some showers. Now, some of this rain will be heavy too, and we'll see it sooner tomorrow than we're expecting today. Temperatures feeling cool with the wind and the rain. Then as we head on into Thursday, well, for England, dry with some sunny spells, just maybe a few showers. For northern Scotland, a few showers, the rest of Scotland largely dry. But we do have some showery outbreaks of rain in Wales and some rain across Northern Ireland. So if you're in the sunshine, it will feel pleasant. If you're in the rain, it will feel cool. And just before I go, the pollen levels for today across England and Wales are high or very high. They're moderate across Northern Ireland and most of Scotland, except for in the north of Scotland, where they are low. Charlie and Lou.
Oh, Carol, thank you very much for keeping us company, as always.
Lovely seeing the sunshine there this morning. Carol, thank you very much.
So our next guest is Colin Morgan. You may know him from Merlin, you may know him from Humans, and now he is playing a spooky part, I think is probably the best way of saying it, in The Living and the Dead.
Morning, Colin.
Good morning.
Do you want to just give us the very big picture? What is it?
OK, I mean, in the title itself, The Living and the Dead, it's very much about dealing with what it is to be part of now, living in the present and dealing with past, possibly past demons, the dead. And it's set in 1894.